From Illinois, Representative Robin Kelly.
Thank you, Congressman Jeffries, and I want to thank Congressman Horsford and the Congressional Black Caucus for this special hour, a very, very important special hour. It is absolutely ridiculous what Speaker Boehner and his party want to do. It is a waste of time, as many of us have said, a waste of time, a waste of taxpayers' money, and it looks like nothing but a sideshow. There are so many things we should be working on, things like immigration reform, pay equality, helping to stop the gun violence in our urban areas, unemployment insurance that people so desperately need. Again, Speaker Boehner has shown that he does not pay attention to what the public wants and cares about. 90% of the public thinks we should expand background checks. 74% of NRA members think we should expand background checks, but he's not bringing that bill to the floor. But he's going to bring this bill to the floor when there's not even the public appetite for a lawsuit. And many Americans, quite frankly, don't feel the president has abused his power. Because we don't listen and we do things like this, it is no wonder only 8% of the public thinks that Congress is doing a great job or even a good job. From day one, there has been a great disrespect for this president like no other in history. Some of my colleagues are shocked that he won the first time and can't seem to get over that he won again the second time. Well, we need to get over it. You need to get over it because there's so many issues we can be working on. We should be trying to improve the quality of life of our constituents, of our country, and frankly, of this world. As a freshman, this is not what I came to Congress to vote on. I came to Congress, like I assume most of us did, to make a difference, to have a public agenda and not a personal agenda, and not an attacking agenda, and an agenda where even though we disagree, we still show respect. So I again applaud you, Congressman, for holding this, sponsoring this. This is extremely important, and I hope the public is truly paying attention because this is shameful and, as I said in the beginning, ridiculous. Thank you.
Thank the distinguished gentlelady from Illinois.